Did you know baking soda could be this versatile? Today we're diving into the world of everyday miracles courtesy of this humble kitchen ingredient. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed by these 11 baking soda hacks. First on our list is a simple trick to freshen up your fridge. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on a plate and place it in the back of your fridge. The baking soda acts like a sponge, soaking up all those unwanted odors and leaving your fridge smelling fresh. Moving on with our informative journey, it is absolutely fascinating to know that baking soda, an everyday household item, also plays a pivotal role in enhancing the effectiveness of your laundry regime. Imagine this, you have been using your regular laundry detergent, loyal to the brand for years, and it does its job well. But what if I told you there's a simple, cost-effective way to boost the performance of that very detergent? That's right, all it takes is the addition of a mere half a cup of baking soda to your detergent. This seemingly insignificant addition in reality significantly amplifies the detergent's cleaning power. Furthermore, it leaves a delightful effect on your clothes, making them feel soft to the touch and emanating a freshness that lingers, providing a totally revitalized laundry experience. Thirdly, baking soda can be a great ally in your beauty routine. Simply mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water and you've got a homemade exfoliating scrub. Use this mixture once a week to remove dead skin cells and reveal a fresh, glowing complexion. Next, it's time to tackle those pesky carpet stains. Make a paste with equal parts baking soda and water, apply it to the stain, and let it dry. Once dry, vacuum up the residue for a stain-free carpet. Fifth, baking soda can also help with minor burns and insect bites. Mix with a little water to form a paste and apply it to the affected area. It helps to soothe the skin and reduce inflammation. For our 6th hack, let's turn to gardening. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda on your tomato plants to lower the acidity in the soil and produce sweeter tomatoes. Next up, baking soda can help unclog drains. Pour half a cup of baking soda followed by half a cup of vinegar down the drain. Wait 15 minutes, then rinse with hot water. The 8th hack involves your silverware. To polish silver, make a paste of 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Apply the paste, rinse, and dry for sparkling silverware. For our 9th tip, baking soda can help freshen up your shoes. Sprinkle a little inside your shoes, and leave overnight. In the morning, shake out the excess for fresher smelling footwear. Our 10th hack is for the pet owners. Sprinkle baking soda on your pet's bedding and leave for 15 minutes before vacuuming. It helps to neutralize odors and keep the bedding fresh. And finally, our 11th baking soda hack is for cleaning your oven. Make a paste of baking soda and water, apply to the oven, and leave overnight. The next day, simply wipe clean. So, there you have it, 11 hacks showcasing the versatility of baking soda. From freshening up your fridge to boosting your beauty routine, unclogging drains to cleaning your oven, this humble kitchen ingredient has proven itself to be a household hero. Remember these hacks next time you're in a pinch and you might just find that the solution is sitting right there in your pantry.